Howdy folks, here we are, back in the kitchen. We're about to make some really amazing date squares. Totally easy to make, no baking required. All you need is a pot, a stove, and about 10 minutes to prepare. So yeah, here we go. Enjoy. You need 200 grams of Marie biscuits, 100 ml of sugar, white or brown, 250 grams of chopped dates, 115 grams of butter, 1 whisked egg, and about 100 ml of desiccated coconut. And lastly, 5 ml of vanilla essence. Get a medium-sized pot with a lid onto a stove, hot plate or burner. Begin by adding your butter, which you melt down. Add the 100 ml of sugar and ensure that it is melted before you add your dates. Add all the chopped up dates and stir into the butter mixture as much as possible. Allow this to simmer and soften, and once sufficiently gooey, remove from the heat and allow it to cool. Get it down to a medium sort of temperature, because the cooler it gets, the stiffer it becomes. At this point, add in your whisked egg together with the vanilla essence and mix it thoroughly. You can see the consistency is fairly thick, but it's still a little bit mushy. Add in your crushed biscuits. And mix into the date mixture as evenly as possible. At this point, if you have any other ingredients like nuts, cherries or raisins, now would be the time to mix them all in. Have an oven pan or similar square pan on the side. Ensure that it has a depth of at least 1 to 2 centimeters. This will determine the thickness of your date squares. Here you can see I lined my oven pan with some grease-proof paper. Pack your now slowly cooling and thickening mixture to the pan and flatten and compact it as much as possible, ensuring you get the mixture evenly spread. Here you can see my mixture at just over 1 centimeter covered only half of the baking tray. Place your tray into the fridge and leave there for at least half an hour. You can add your coconut flakes before or after it goes into the fridge. After cutting your now hardened mixture into squares, remove from the greaseproof paper, and you could at this point add more coconut to all sides of your now very delicious and tasty date squares. So tell me, how easy was that?